NCERT Class 9th Chapter 1 Exercise 1.3 Question 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expression each has. Part 1, 36 upon 100. So we solve like this. We divide 36 by 100. As 36 is less than 100, so we have to put decimal first. So we put decimal and carry 0. Then in quotient we write 3, and 3 multiplied by 100 is 300. We subtract 300 from 360. The balance is 60. We carry 0 again. Now 6 times 100 is 600. And on subtraction we get 0. So our answer is 0.36, and the expression of this decimal is terminating. We go to the question second. 1 upon 11. So we solve like this. We divide 1 by 11. We put the decimal first and carry 0. And we still find that 10 is less than 11 and it cannot divide. So we put 0 in quotient part and also carry 0 again. Now we divide 100 by 11. It goes for 9. 9 times 11 is 99. And we have the remainder 1. We carry 0 again. But 10 is smaller than 11. Hence it cannot divide it. So we put 0 in the quotient part and carry 0 again. And then it goes for 9 again. And again the remainder is 1. So this way it goes on and it will repeat it. It will be 0.0909 this way. So our answer is 0.09, and we put bar as it is repeating 090909 after decimal. So we put bar on both these two digits, 0.09, and it is which kind of decimal. So we have to write it is non-terminating recurring. We go to the third question. 4 whole and 1 upon 8. This is equal to 33 upon 8, and we divide 33 by 8. It goes for 4 times. 32 and remainder is 1. Then we put decimal and carry 0. 8 times 1 is 8, and we subtract 8 from 10, we get 2. We carry 0. 8 times 2 is 16. Remainder is 4. We carry 0. And 40 divided by 8 is 8 times 5 is 40, and remainder is 0. So our answer is 4.125 and the type of this division is terminating. We go for the question fourth, 3 divided by 13. So we start like this. As 3 is smaller than 13, it cannot be divided. So we put decimal and carry 0. 13 times 2 is 26. On subtracting 26 from 30, we get 4. We carry 0. 13 times 3 is 39. On subtracting, we get balance 1. We carry 0. And 10 cannot be divided by 13, so we carry one more 0, putting 0 in the quotient part. And 13 times 7 is 91. On subtracting 91 from 100, we get 9 as balance. We carry 0 again. It goes for 6 times. 13 times 6 is 78. On subtracting, we get 12. We carry 0 again. It goes for 9 times. 13 times 9 is 117. And we have the remainder 3. We had started with 3 and again we have reached to 3. So it will go on repeating like this. Our answer is 0.230769 bar. 0.230769 bar. And this is non-terminating recurring. Fifth part of the question is 2 upon 11. So we divide it like this. As 2 is smaller than 11, we have to put 0 and decimal so that we can carry 0. Now we have to divide 20 by 11. So it is 1 time 11 is 11. We subtract 11 from 20 and we get 9 as balance. We carry 0. 90 we divide by 11. It goes for 8 times. And 11 times 8 is 88. Balance is 2. Now we had started with 2 and again we have reached to 2. So it is going to repeat again. So our answer is 0.18 bar and it is non-terminating repeating. Our sixth question is 329 divided by 400. We divide it like this. 329 as dividend and 400 as divisor. So 329 being smaller than 400, we have to put decimal. So we put decimal and carry 0. So it will be for 8 times. 400 going to divide 3290 and it will be for 8 times. So this will be 3200. And on subtracting, we get 90 as balance. We carry 0. 400 will divide 900 for 2 times. 4 times 400 times 2 equal to 800. Balance is 100. We carry 0. then again it will be dividing it for 2 times. 4 times 400 times 2 is 800, and on subtracting we get 200, and we carry 0 again. Then it will be for 5 times. 400 times 5 is 2000, and our remainder is 0. So our answer is 0.8225, and this is terminating. The division is terminating. So this way we solve the question 1 of exercise 1.3. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel.